Most moms think healthy eating means doing more prep, more planning, more rules. But what if the answer wasn't doing more? It was actually doing less, just making it smarter. Because let's be honest, you're not sitting around eating junk because you don't care. You're eating it because you're exhausted, overscheduled, and no one ever taught you what healthy even means anymore. And that's why I created Real Food Made Easy. So if you've ever thought, I just want someone to tell me what to eat that actually works for my life, you're not alone. I built Real Food Made Easy for women like us, midlife moms that are juggling work and sports and all of that dinner chaos that somehow starts before 5 p.m. and sometimes doesn't end till 9. The women who have tried eating healthy and still feel confused and frustrated, and maybe even a little defeated by so much conflicting advice online. So this is my final video in my Dinner Chaos to Calm series, and today I'm sharing the real reason I built this and what's coming next. Not because I had one big light bulb moment, but because after years of conversations with other moms, I realized we don't need more rules, we need real support. This didn't start one night in my kitchen. It started over years of listening to moms tell me the same story. I feel like I'm doing everything right, but I just don't feel good. I just want to understand what's actually in my food. And I don't have time to cook from scratch every night, but I just want to know what's enough. I hear the same frustration over and over again. And honestly, it broke my heart because these were smart, capable women, moms who were holding it all together and still feeling like they were failing at dinner. And the truth, they didn't need a fancy meal plan. They just really needed some clarity. They needed someone to show them how to eat real food in a way that fit their life. That's how and that's why a Real Food Made Easy was born. So here's what I noticed next. It wasn't just about food. It was about how women felt about themselves. So many moms told me I used to feel good in my body, and now I just feel tired all the time. Or I eat healthy, but my energy is still gone. Or I know what I should do, but I cannot make it stick. And that stuck with me because I have been right there too, doing all the right things, but still feeling inflamed and sluggish and guilty. Real Food Made Easy isn't just about what you eat. It's about how you feel when you eat. It's about helping women rebuild trust in their body again and realize that they don't have to start over every single Monday to make progress. I looked around at what was out there and everything felt like extremes. You had the hardcore meal prep moms on one side and the just love your body and don't worry about it advice on the other. But what about the middle? What about the mom who actually wants to take care of herself, but doesn't have 2 hours a day to do it? And that's where Real Food Made Easy comes in. It's not just another plan, it's a partnership. Because the truth is, you don't need more motivation. You need a strategy that's going to work in real life. Something you can come back to again and again, even when the week falls apart. And that's exactly what we're building. Real Food Made Easy isn't just a method, it's a movement. It's a place where moms can finally exhale, where you learn how to feed your family real food, understand what's actually in what you buy, and build confidence around your food choices without perfection or pressure. Because yes, some women come in wanting to lose weight, others come in wanting to fill their energy tank, or just feel like they're second guessing every single time they make dinner. But every woman inside has the same goal, to feel good in her body again. And that's why I'm creating Real Food Made Easy, the collective. It's a community for moms who are ready to feel peace at dinner time or all day long. And inside, we're going to have live workshops, simple meal system, experts, and monthly challenges to help you stay consistent without having to figure it all out on your own. If this is the kind of support you've been craving, I would love for you to join the waitlist and help shape it from the very start. You're going to find the link in this video below. Real Food Made Easy was never about perfection. It was about possibility. Because you don't need to overhaul your whole life just to feel better. You just need to start making confident choices again. Choices that give you your energy back instead of taking it away. Choices that remind you you're not behind, you're just beginning again. And the best part, you don't have to do it alone anymore. Join the waitlist for the Real Food Made Easy collective below. Because this isn't just about food, it's about feeling proud of how you're showing up for yourself again. And if you missed the rest of the Dinner Chaos to Calm series, start back at the beginning with how I stopped feeling overwhelmed at dinner every single night. It's the perfect place to begin.